Hello friends, today we have a showdown and it's between Replit and Lovable. Now today I'm going to compare what building a website with both platforms look like and the type of features that they offer, and then lastly their pricing. Hopefully this is not a video that makes you bored, and hopefully I just get straight to the point and you stay to the end. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you comment something down below. So let's get started. So first off, we have Replit. Now with Replit, just like Lovable, it has a prompt box. Now you come into this prompt box and you give it the idea of the type of website that you want to build. And then Replit is then able to create the website. So I was able to create one right here. Is a dog walker website. Now this is what the dog walker website looks like. You see it right here, pretty nice, very modern. It gives you a bunch of nice things in the menu, services, about me, testimonials, and you can then book a walk. And this is the type of website it gives you after you just giving it a prompt. Now if I want to edit this website, you see right here on the left hand side there's a thing called select element, and if I just click on select element, it gives me an opportunity to edit the website. So let's say I want to change let's get started to let's begin. You can just once you click on it, you're going to see this toolkit box right here. It says let's get started, and you can just go ahead and edit it to let's begin. And whatever you edit right here applies on the screen and applies on the website itself. So these are the type of things you have. You can save changes. Now whatever you change, it's gonna show you right here in the dialog box. So it says change text from let's get started to let's begin, and then you're able to do it right there. If you want to exit from this, you can just press X and you're gonna be able to exit from there. And you can always edit what you want to edit by just clicking on the element icon right here. Now for Lovable, I was able to create two websites, but let me just show you one that's similar to the one I just showed you. So this is it right here. Now this is what the website looks like. Pretty nice. This one is for dog grooming. It's a pretty nice website, and it also has the same thing to which gives like a landing page, how it works, reviews, contact, book now, the whole nine. Now you can come in here to edit the website. So right here where it says design, you just click on design. You'll be able to come in here and edit the website just like you were able to do with Replit. So let's say I pick this right here. It come to you. Wait in a minute. Let it show first. So visual edits. So right here it says grooming and yard care. We come to you. Let's just click on we come to you. You can always come in here and change it. So it follows the exact same thing. You just give it a prompt. It creates the website for you, and then from there you'll be able to make edits in the website. Now let's say you want to take a visual edits. So now let's say you want to publish it. If you just click on publish, you can go ahead and publish it, and you can also add your custom domain. So go purchase hosting from whatever site, maybe SiteGround. I'll have a link to it in the description below, and you'll be able to set it up as your custom domain. Another thing too, same thing too with Replit. If you click on publish, you can go ahead and publish to replit.app domain. Let's give it a minute, to replit.app domain. Or if you want to have your own custom domain, you go ahead, you have to upgrade. So I'm just going to show you guys, let me show you guys the integrations first, and then I show you their pricing so you know what to do. So let's go over to Replit's homepage. Now let me show you their pricing. They utilize credits, and this is what their pricing looks like. So right now I'm on the free version. If you want to get to Replit Core, you'll be able to do it with $20 a month, which is kind of the same price with ChatGPT. It includes up to 5 collaborators, unlimited workspace, autonomous long builds, and you remove the made with Replit badge. If you want to get the pro version, you'll be able to do the same thing, and you get everything in the core. $100 monthly credits, includes up to 50 collaborators, includes up to 50 viewers, access to the most powerful models, private deployments, database restore up to 28 days, and you get access to their support. So if you upgrade, you get a chance to publish your website utilizing your own custom domain. Now for the integrations, let's go over to skipping. If you go over to settings and just look at the integrations, you have Stripe, you have Lubu Sheets, you have Twilio, and you have Git. You have to be able to upgrade it before you're able to connect it to Replit. For Lovable, If we go over to the dashboard and you click on resources, you'll be able to see the type of integrations they have. So they have one for events. They have way more. They have one for events. They have one for those of you who want to, you're into fitness. They have one for Pilates. They just use your Pilates template. They have a bunch of icon stacks. They have multiple different apps that are right here. They have, well, let's keep on. This one I want to show you guys. They have for marketing also. So they have an SEO tool that can pretty much help you get the website ready for Google, which is, there's way more features than Replit, and they have multiple apps to help you run your website. Now, for their pricing, if you click on upgrade to Pro, they have 3 different models. So you can have the $25 a month plan, you get up to $100 monthly credits, 5 daily credits, and it rolls over, and you can get on-demand credit top-ups, and you can also have custom domains, which is a great thing, with all those resources that I showed you guys. With the $50 a month plan, you get all that. You get internal publishing, you get access to multiple design templates, and you get a security center. And for the custom plan, which you have to contact them for, you have dedicated support, SCIM, design system support for custom connectors, publishing controls, sharing controls, audit logs. So these are the things you get with Lovable and Replit. For me, I choose Lovable. I don't know what you guys think. Make sure you test out both tools before you go ahead to make a purchasing decision. So I'm gonna leave links to them in the description below. Hopefully you guys like this video, and make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys share this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys next time.